how important it is to get your roof routinely inspected every few years or every season maybe. Just do a quick visual walk around your property. I want to shoot this video to bring some awareness to possibly save some lives out there, and it deals with carbon monoxide. So I come up here to do a quick gutter cleaning of this property. Yeah, I know the person, I just threw it out in the yard, but I noticed an issue with the chimney here. This is a pretty old, rusted out chimney cap. What you've got is the cap that is supposed to divert the water and let the fumes come out. Any rain that gets in, it runs down over and hits this and will run out underneath and not come inside the pipes in the house. The problem you're running into is it's rusted to the point it dropped down. So if you look under there, do you see how that is now restricting the airflow from coming up and out of here? That's a pretty big, important safety hazard and health issue. I'm gonna MacGyver this with what I got on the truck to get by tonight, get by here tomorrow to get this fixed for him. But it's a big safety risk. You know, you can't smell the carbon monoxide, you can't taste it, it's colorless, odorless, it's very dangerous. It's deadly, okay? Side effects, you get tired with. Just look that stuff up. This is to bring some awareness to it. If you're a property owner, you're a tenant, it doesn't matter. If you live in a house and your well-being, just check these things. You do a quick visual, walk around the outside, or maybe your hot water heater constantly goes out. You have to relight it if it's gas. Those are all signs of possibly the fumes are not making its way up and out. That's one of the issues. So this furnace is not high efficient. It does have an inducer motor positively blowing. It's not relying on draft only, so that helps. But the problem you run into is it's putting extra load on your furnace. And if it is an older furnace without the positive pressure, you risk that monoxide building up into your house. So a little tip on that, it's very important to have a carbon monoxide sensor. They're very cheap, very affordable, it can save your life. Get it, plug it in. There's kind of use batteries, really easy. Once a year, just push a button, just check them out. I'll try to find some on Amazon, leave a link down in the description below for you guys. Could save your life out there. This is a quick video. It's mid-December now, and I want to bring some awareness to this. That is dangerous. You won't know it, and it's a silent killer. What we're gonna do real quick to just kind of rig this today is I'm just gonna pull this mesh off. And somebody must have known at some point and put this on to keep birds and debris out. See that right there? Actually, it looks like somebody knew, and they maybe cut a slit, fold it down. This is pretty bad. Looks like it's also kind of disconnected in there a little bit. We're gonna need to do something with this. There's a chance of snow and rain tonight, so I don't want to leave it up like this. My thought was to grab some step flash and get it bent, riveted, screwed, something to kind of hold it up more. But honestly, I got a simpler idea. Put this back on. Get this up here like that. And I'm gonna put a weight on it to hold it down so the wind doesn't blow. So anything hitting will run over and off, not go in, but more importantly, there's plenty of room for that to vent out now. Whenever we're installing a new roof on a house like this said issue, I typically try to get an idea of the vent pipe in it, and will recommend installing a B-vent flue pipe through the roof and just eliminating this. It's high maintenance, it's steel, it rusts. So anyway, some safety awareness to you and yours and your family at your house. Check it out, could save your life. Link in the description to Amazon for a carbon monoxide detector. Merry Christmas to y'all, have a good one. Be safe.